This is the top rated question from Microsoft. Maximum length of a concatenated string with unique character. Uh, you can pause the video and have a glance on this question. These are the examples. Statement. So basically, I will explain. You are given an array of string. You have to concatenate each possible string in each way, not in the reverse order. Like you can do it, but you have to see if the strings which are concatenating are having unique characters in it. Like I cannot concatenate this one and this one because u is repeating, but I can concatenate this two. So we have to just return the um, maximum number length, okay, length of the string. So yeah, this is nothing but this is just a hint to the question is what we have to do. We have to explore all the possibilities of concatenating a string. That means we have to do recursion in all the following directions. For every step, for every step of the recursion, I have two choices. Either I have to include a string or disinclude it. That's it. So I will validate each of the string. That's it. So what is main important thing is I have to keep track of the maximum count of the length. So what I will do is I will pass the array, because passing array will makes the job easier for me to, because it is passed due to the reference. So unique length, okay, and this will be a function which will take input this array of string count array an empty string in which I will concatenate, and the index is where I am present, and I will return my count. Okay, so basically I will write this, I will define this function now. So public, this will not return something, yeah, void unique max length, and this should be list of rr, okay, and string s and the index, right? And the base case should be, each case we will do after some time. And through the recursive pass. So yeah, so we'll call this, and every time, first time I will include that string. So and index should increase by one. Second time I will not include. Second time I'm not including it. But let's see, the base is where I will stop. So let's say I was concatenating this string and I reached this point. After concatenating UA, I have here outside. That means my index variable is storing the value as 3. That means I am out of the list. So index equal to arr dot size. And sometimes we have to also validate if the previous strings which are concatenated are satisfying the conditions or not. So what I'll do is, if the s dot length is less than my uh, help helper function will take just and return an length of the string if it is unique. And that if this condition is satisfied, that means my um, no one thing, my count of 0 is lesser than this, that means I have to again overwrite my count variable to the s dot, that's right, and I have to return. Returning something is very important, because if we do not recurse return, it will execute the next if else or next lines. So but this is the good case, but sometimes it happens like uh, this count which I concatenated uh, is greater than that helper function which will return, so this will not be executed, but still I cannot go beyond 4 5 and 6 because I am exceeding the length of the array. So what we will do is, if index equal to arr dot size, right, then I will just return, right, and yeah, so what is remaining is our helper function. So I'll quickly write the helper function. It's very easy. Helper function string s, and okay, so I have to create an array and 26, and so if what I do is if caret I minus a is equal to 1, that means I'm at the second time of repetition, which is not allowed, so I will just return minus 1, and have to s, s dot caret I minus and increment. Okay, and if everything is fine, I just have to return the start length. Okay, so there will be some variable or syntactical error or something, I think. Let's okay, let's take another S case. This should give us the output 6, right? Yeah, okay, so yeah, so it's correct one. So this was a pretty easy question. I don't think this is very hard, but the difficulty is, yeah, medium. That's very good question. Okay. Yeah. So I have 2 or 1 minute. So I'll quickly explain the difficult part. This is the recursion part, which is very difficult to understand. Is what I did is I for every point of string for concatenation, I have two choices. Either I have to concatenate it, or either I have to move ahead without concatenating it with the previous string. Yeah. So first, in the first thing, first in the first call, I am concatenating. Okay. But in the second one, I am not. Okay, so this helps me in exploring all the possibilities, and this helper function returns me the count, and I keep track of maximum through my array, because arrays are passed to the reference one. And yeah, this is the helper function. This is very easy. Yeah, so thank you.